Hello and welcome to SACMI Packaging and Chocolate Italy. My name is Giuseppe Nosenzo. I'm an area sales manager and today I'm here to present our new high-speed horizontal floor wrapping machine. We name it JT Advance and it's part of the lineup of our high-speed packaging machinery called Advance line. The machine is a compilation of the history of OPM and the extensive experience in high-speed floor wrapping system of our Swiss R&D team, located at our SACMI Packaging and Chocolate Swiss branch office in Neuhausen. The result of this mix is a state-of-the-art floor wrapping machine which provides the highest standards in sanitization, cleanability and operator ergonomics. The machine is able to pack a variety of products in either single pack or multi-pack, both in horizontal pillow pack style, using cold or hot sealing materials in 300 or 500 mm width. Pillow packs can be with or without gussets, with longitudinal field seal offset, with transversal and longitudinal tear tape for easy opening applications. Wrapping material speeds of up to 150 meters per minute, packaging capacity of up to 1,500 pieces per minute. Our engineering team developed the machine from the operator's point of view. What would be the operator's desire? It should always have been the main concern. Definitely a machine that is easy to use, easy to clean, simple to maintain in safe conditions and with a fast toolless changeover. Consequently, we focus on sanitary design. The JT Advance is manufactured completely in stainless steel with a minimum number of components, while minimizing areas of debris accumulation. Swiveling alignment belts, hold downs and flat surface product plates mean cleaning time is reduced without risk of injury. Belts can be easily removed to allow for effective cleaning and their automatic adjustment ensure they do not deteriorate and the product remains intact without generating debris. Easy to use. All front covers are transparent, so you can immediately see if there is any part needing cleaning or maintenance. Even if the operator is not near the machine, if there is an issue, the affected areas are lit in red, allowing the operator to immediately understand what section requires attention. Removal of all front covers is completely toolless, and all of the guards are equipped with supports to keep the floor clean. This means reducing cleaning time as well as a faster and easier belt replacement or changeover. We made sure that only a single wrench is required for the parts that do need the use of a tool. We designed the JT Advance to allow complete accessibility to folding box and sealing elements with a single cover. This also means time saving during cleaning, maintenance and format changeover. Obviously, we have paid a lot of attention simplifying the real change. It can be done easily and safely while the machine is in production even at speed of 150 meters per minute without reducing the machine speed. An intelligent splicing system enables easy and smooth splice setup operation. With dedicated sensor, we attain a high precise splicing operation on the fly. And the buffer swing roller allows us to create a differential speed between splicing unit and the machine. There are integrated field centering functions as standard as well. All machine parameters can be set from the HMI, from format changeover management to the setting of different pressures according to wrapping material requirements. We have considered every detail allowing time saving in any operator activity. We all know that a minor operator involvement in machine management, a simplified maintenance requirement, a reduced changeover time means evident lower cost of machine operation, higher MTBF and better overall ROI. The JT Advance is a giant leap ahead in the world of horizontal floor wrapping machines. We cannot wait to meet you in person
to share this machine and for you to experience the JT Advance. That's all for now. From SACMI Packaging and Chocolate and myself, goodbye.